Hello YouTube, something fun's happening! We got Dragy. This is our Dragy box. Ooh, let's have a look, see what's inside. So you get 2 magnets, and they're to pop the Dragy in your car somewhere, on the dash or wherever. Ooh. So we have bought this so we can test out everyone's cars and see whose is the fastest. We've got a few cars between us, so we want to know whose is the best, and we're going to start a series on this. And unfortunately today all we have to test out is the green Turd of love, which is a D14, so it's probably about 3 brake horsepower, but let's go have a look anyway. Hello YouTube, let's test it out. I'm tired. But now we know that it works, we can now go test it on the Civic. So,
right,
here we are in the green Turd.
Yep, we're going to try and beat Kim's 60 foot.
And see if we can get a quarter-mile time.
Yep.
Let's go.
Come on, 20 seconds!
Woo! 60 foot. Oh, the speed! Yeah! 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 Woo! Oh, 2.82! Woo! Send it! Yes! The power!
Oh yeah, 40.
Oh! Oh, what a weapon! Keep going! Keep going!
Did it do it?
Yeah!
What did it do?
19.8! Oh. Another run of the weapon. Let's go.
Let's do this. Right.
Come on! Oh, power! Oh,
You gotta beat 19, what is it, 98, 97?
98 to me. Come on!
You got this. Come on. Come on.
Go on, son. Oh, you beat it!
Yes!
Okay, we are live. We bugged on the launch. Is the green Turd gonna do it? 18.9 to B, let's go!
Got this.
Come on! Weapon! Power! 19.01. So, now we know the Dragy works, we're gonna set up our own leaderboard, and you are welcome to come down and try and beat our times. Obviously, the first time to beat is not very impressive. I think we got the quarter-mile time in 18.9 seconds in the D14. It's pretty spectacular, but the rule is, if you want to come down and drag race your car, you also have to do a 60 foot on foot. So we're going to have 2 leaderboards. We're going to have the best quarter-mile time and the best 60 foot on foot times, because we all know car guys can't run, and it's going to be hilarious. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and we will see you next week. Bye. Yeah.